Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Me and Olivia are back with some more dumplings. We are going to be unboxing 6 more. They came in from Temu, and then after that we're going to pull one dumpling from each place that we've got them, and we're going to explain to y'all the difference and what we think is better. We'll tell you what our favorites are, and so Olivia, are you ready?
Yeah.
So she's gonna unbox. She's got 3 already. We've already sorted them up before we got here. So she's gonna open them. Open one at a time. Open one. Hey, we put these right here. Now open the one in your hand and show the camera when you open it. They're little. They're minis. I didn't know that they were minis when we bought them. Let me see that.
It's so dead.
Let me see it real quick. Okay, he's a little flat. He stinks. But yeah, that's the one from Temu. He looks a little deformed. I don't know.
He's so cute to tell you.
But I'm gonna let her go ahead and open her 3. Then I'm gonna open my 3. We'll do the comparison in a minute. The Temus. Let me show you the package. They look like. They look like this.
A second one.
If you remember the other small ones that we did, are you serious? You got 2 the same?
Yeah.
We had all of them the same, so I'm hoping that this ain't the case. I was excited when I seen that she got a purple one and they weren't white, but please don't be the same color. I'm gonna be so mad. Yay, it's not.
Oh my god!
It's green.
It's green. Okay, so now I'm gonna open up mine. So I was really nervous when these came in as small ones. I didn't see that they were small. I thought that they were the bigger ones, but oh well. All right. Okay, Olivia, you ready to see what Mommy's got?
Yeah.
What do you think it is? Tell me what you think it is.
It is blue.
Blue? It's purple.
Oh, it's purple.
Got another purple one. All right, one more. What color do you think this one is? I got 2 more.
It is blue.
She says blue. We got to choose from the purple, the yellow, the orange, the blue, and the green and the red, and then we got a gold one that we can get. So I got a yellow. Yay, yellow!
Yeah, they were all yellow.
That one's actually pretty. I like that yellow.
Look at this.
That yellow's cute, right? I like the faces. The faces are so cute. He's so cute.
It's so small.
Okay, last one. Olivia, what color?
It is green.
Green. You got a green one. Okay. Oh, you're right. It's green. How did you know? Did you cheat? I'm just picking. So, we got a green one. So,
Sorry, guys.
all right. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take Mr. Green because he's the only green one I have. You're knocking everything over.
No. Sorry, Mom.
Okay.
I
It's
got
okay.
green too.
So we got green. This is Temu. Now let me tell you what I think about this one. They feel very similar to the other small ones we have. I'm thinking that honestly they're the same brand.
Hey guys.
It does feel pretty good. Like I like these better than the white ones though.
You know you feel slime and sand right here.
Wait, let me see your green. Oh no, they're the same color. Oh,
I got purple.
maybe like a shade different, but they're meant to be the same color. Okay, so that's the Temu. Now this one right here is the Walmart version of the small ones. So they make the same squishiness. So there's that. These feel the exact same. These 2. Temu won't, but Walmart, Temu. So yeah. So then we got our very first ones that we opened on the channel were from Family Dollar. Now these feel sticky. These are sticky. And they pop pretty easy. This is from, yeah, Family Dollar. These ones popped pretty easy. Like Olivia, I think she's got like maybe one left of hers because I think all of the other ones popped. But I don't think that whatever's in here is toxic because it didn't hurt her or Seth. I think it was Seth that popped it, but it didn't hurt his skin. He's got very sensitive skin too, and it didn't mess with his skin, so that's a plus. But this is the Family Dollar one. And I think they're kind of like a knockoff. I don't think it's the real deal, but they're still cute, and they were the first ones we found. All right, now this is this is SHEIN. This is from SHEIN. Now this one don't really look like the rest of them, and they're like, you see, like it's kind of like I would say like a squishy foam. I don't know. Look, they smell good. They smell like really good, and they squish. To me, they smell like kind of like cookies bacon. But I like the squishiness of these. It's a different texture, and
it don't pop.
But I don't really consider them like. I guess they're dumplings in their own way, but like. They're not the original. These are totally different. These are totally a knockoff. But I do like them. Like if you just want it for the squeeze factor, I would say go to SHEIN and get these. I mean, they're cool. And they smell good.
Hey guys, it don't pop.
Yeah, they don't pop.
It stays
and
there.
Then this is from Walmart. This one's from Walmart as well. And the only reason I'm including him because he's different. And it's the same texture as the one from SHEIN. These look more dumpling-like though. Something like his face got like something on it. I don't know. But like I think they're pretty and I like the multicolor and I like the squeeze, but I don't think they're real. I think they're counterfeit. Now these ones I know for a fact are the real ones, the ones that the viral ones. This one right here, we opened him last week, I think. I got this one from Market Basket. I forgot that I had one from Market Basket until I was looking. But I like how this one glitters. Yeah, Olivia's got a pink or purple glitter one. She thought was a rare. If you ain't seen that video, you need to go watch it. I'll make sure to tag that video in this. But yeah, I like how it like glitters. Like it's like yellow and gold. I mean green, yellow and green. My favorite football team is Green Bay Packers, so that's pretty cool. I like that. I like that, and I like the way he squishes. I think it feels like it was made with quality and material. It doesn't feel like it's gonna pop or anything. Just I wouldn't put them in heat, of course. Like duh. And then this one was my first like real one. I got this one at a convenience store. And I like the quality of it, but it's sticky. Like, it's sticky like... Actually, this one's more sticky than this one. But this one feels better material. Does that make sense? So, yeah, I would say... I like this. I like this color. But I like the feel of the squishy on this one. However...
Hey guys, you see the face?
However, I like this squishy on this one better than this one.
Hey mommy, I want to tell her and this face.
Yeah. So, honestly, overall, these are my two favorites. And it really has nothing to do with the color. It has more to do with the squishy.
Hey guys, look in the face.
These two are my favorite. They has more to do with the squishy and the quality. These feel like better quality, like they're gonna last longer, where the other ones feel more cheap. And these is convenient. Like this is Market Basket, which is a grocery store here in Texas. I think Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana are the only ones who have Market Basket. But it's a store here. They sell them, and it's a grocery store. And this. Honestly, I think this one's better material than this one, but they're both feel firm. Like, they feel good. Like the material feels quality, you know, for dumplings. Does that make sense? But yeah, these are my two favorites. These are the two that I would say, like, yeah, these two. Oh, a funny, what?
Hey, Mommy, I was telling you this Christmas. Look.
Yeah. See, a funny little story is when we first got on, my husband decided to. So, but yeah, though, honestly, when I first saw them, when I first opened these two, I thought to myself, those look like breast implants, especially this one. It's just not as clear.
Face, guys.
But yeah, that's our video today. Olivia, how about this?
What?
I'm going to let Olivia do the same thing that I did and let her explain to you how she likes the feels of them. So one at a time. Look, you put these up, put these over here because those are the same batch.
Hey guys.
Okay, so that's the Temu version. Tell them how it feels for you.
It feels. I'm not saying it. It feels slime and a little bit.
Is it squishy?
Yeah, it feels squishy. It's got a face.
Well, yeah, we know they got a face. Okay.
And it did this.
Okay, so give me that one. And these are yours, but no, put it down. Put it down. I got something else for you. Now hold this one. This is from SHEIN. Hold it, squeeze it, show the camera.
It feels foamy.
Foamy, yeah, that's a good word for it.
It's not visual. It is visual.
Okay. Out of these two, Olivia, which one do you think has the best quality?
This one.
Which one?
And the green.
The green one? You like the green one better than that one?
Yeah, and the green have a face.
Okay.
Watch this, guys.
So, let's go to the Walmart one. The squishy Walmart one. It's kind of like the SHEIN one. And I also want you to feel this one, compare it to that Walmart one, and tell me which one of those two is best.
And the same.
They're the same. They feel very, very similar. I think they're probably manufactured together. Okay, so out of these three, which one's your favorite? These three.
And the green.
The green one. Okay. So now, Family Dollar, feel it, touch it, love it. Okay. So out of the feel of this, tell them the quality. What do you think when you?
It feels sticky.
Yeah, it's sticky. It is a little sticky.
That's nasty.
It had a face.
Well, they all have faces. So out of this one and the green one, which one's your favorite?
Green one. And again.
I mean, you don't have to pick it because it's yours. I'm talking about the feel, the way it feels. Or do you just like it because it's little? I think she likes it because it's little. Okay.
It's so cute. It had a cute face.
Okay, so do the convenience store one. You got to show the camera. Okay.
Oh my god, it's sticky too.
I know it's sticky, but do you feel like that's better quality?
Yeah, it's got a cute face.
Does it feel more controlled? I don't know if that's the word. Like, does it feel like you can, like it's gonna last longer?
What's the smell?
I don't know. Which one do you like out of the feel of it? Which one do you like better? The green one or the one you're holding?
This one.
You like that one? Yeah, now do this one and compare it with the one you got in your hand.
This one's sticky too.
Okay, out of those two, which one is your favorite? The ones you two in your hand.
These two.
Which one do you like the best?
Orange.
The orange one?
Hey guys, you see the face in the orange?
I think the orange one's one I said. I have to go back and look. I think that's the one I like the best too.
I don't know if it got fatty right here.
Okay, what's your second favorite? The Market Basket one? The green one? Or which one's your second favorite?
It is orange one.
Second favorite. That's your first favorite. Give me that one. Okay, out of these two, which one's your favorite?
Yellow and green.
Well, show them up there and then tell them which one that you like the best.
This one.
Over the yellow one?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, The little one. Compare it to the small one. Both of the small ones. What do you think?
This one's
They feel the same, don't you? We're going off of feel, baby.
this one's got eyes and the feel. This one's got eyes, skin.
Okay, which one do you like better? This one or the green one?
Green one is smaller.
Yeah, because we got like 12 of these. Same color. Alright, guys. So, between... Well, hang on. Between me and Olivia, we both agree that the orange one is our favorite. So, that was from the convenience store. They were the real deal. They have the... I think it's REC or something. It's I don't know. I don't have the package anymore. But they're the real deal. And the other ones I think are just... I don't know. I kind of think these small ones are the real deal. I don't know. They could be counterfeit because I got 12 of the same ones. Like, y'all saw how disappointed I was in that.
I'm gonna talk now.
I mean, hang on a minute. But, like, when you buy a box and they're saying mystery on it, you want it to be a mystery, right? So it just didn't make sense to me. What, Olivia? You can talk.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you the squishy. And there's a hard face.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so that's our video. If you enjoy these videos, make sure that you are subscribed and that you push that like button, and we'll try to do more similar videos. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to buy any more or not, but if I do, y'all know. I'll tell y'all. But we are making squishies very soon. I've already talked to my niece, and her daughter, which is my great niece, is going to come join us. You won't see her face, but you'll see her. I already got her mom's permission. She can be on the video, but she can't like be seen. I'll have to blur her out, but she can talk and be in it. So they don't want, and I understand that. That's why I asked. But anyways, so we will go ahead and end this video, and I just want
Hey guys, you see the face?
Yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and
Bye guys, bye the squishy. Bye.
Yeah, if y'all like Olivia here, tell her in the comments. Let her know that y'all like her in the videos, and hype her up.
Hey guys, you know what this means? This is green squishy. Have a
Okay. All right, guys. We'll see y'all later, and thank you for watching.